All right, guys. This one now VDM. VDM just crack come out now like 2 minutes ago, saying in the EFCC since for the past 4 hours, concerning the whole case. But to his surprise, say EFCC don't come up with a different, fresh case where you don't even know where it come from. In fact, VDM verse for this video. I want to make we listen to what the VDM want to talk. Then we'll take it from there.
All right, so I just left CFCC office now after spending over 4 hours there. As a matter of fact, I went straight from the airport. From the airport, I went straight to EFCC. As you all know, I was in Lagos on Saturday because of the traffic victims that returned from Ivory Coast. So I was in Lagos to receive them with Sahale Noyema, the owner of Airpeace, who availed this plane to bring them back. So when there, we received them. And then yesterday, I did not even rest. You understand? This morning, because of the appointment I have with EFCC, I had to come back. Now, on reaching EFCC, they brought up one allegation against me that is very crazy. They said, one woman said, I've never been so irritated and angry like this before until today. I'm not gonna lie, I cursed the woman finish. I cursed Sam to the highest level. And like I said, I told them, they record me for video. I said, a guy go reach. Apart from say we go do court case, this woman go still go swear juju for this kind of thing. Yes, we don't reach there. Juju now our ancestor package. You understand? I'm an African man. I not be church man. Do you understand? A guy we go river, we go swear juju for this matter. We go take person life. No jokes. And I told them, now what happened? They said the woman say, I even play the video.
EFCC officials, she later discovered that a social media influencer, Vincent Author, aka Very Dark Man, had publicly unveiled an identical project.
I am meeting up with some tech guys as well to discuss on something I'm bringing up, and that thing is to help combat this online vendor wahala and the rest. I'm putting in a lot of money. I don't put plenty money inside the thing, and hopefully this thing, when I want to, will help a lot of people not to be scammed.
The case of Princess Udo raises questions about whether regulatory bodies can be trusted to protect intellectual property rather than exploit it.
I urge the Nigerian government, the EFCC, and other relevant authorities to take immediate action to 1. Investigate this incident and bring perpetrators to justice. Strengthening intellectual property protection laws.
Now, before I say anything, if you want to arrest me, I want to look for something very reasonable and very, very tight. Not be all these things. You understand? Because at this point, you don't look as if, okay, yes, there's an hidden agenda somewhere. Before I address this issue, I was with EFCC for how many days? They interrogated me. They don't bring this thing up. From nowhere, they carry this one come today. But that's not a problem. Now, let's go to this woman. This woman is alleging that, if you remember that video when I reached China, I said I come here, I don't spend a lot of money so that I'll feel they help people so that they will not be getting scammed. All these vendors, buyers and sellers, so we say you go send money to vendor no credit you, or vendor will send something to customer no go pay, all those things. I said, okay, I'm coming up with an idea that I've spent a lot of money, right? So it took me to China to do all that research. So this woman is alleging that the idea is an idea. How, madam, first of all? Madam, how is it your idea? This is what I do in this country. This is what I use my platform to do. You get scam, Very Dark Man, I have a big platform. I talk about it and I make sure people get their money back. I've collected millions over the years. How many years I don't do it for this media now? Just from 2023 towards the ending of 2023 till now. I be towards the middle of 2023 till now. I know how much I don't collect for people who I don't help them recover. Millions! It's only natural. See, all these kind of things, they come my head. Do you understand? You, madam, now where they claim this idea and your idea, who know you? Who know you? Sorry to say, who know you? Who are you in the scheme of things? What have you ever done? How much have you helped somebody to recover, to claim that this idea is your idea? How much? You don't help person recover where you go say this idea is your idea. Like I said, if now want to arrest me for over something more than drum. And mind you, this same idea where you talk, I am pretty sure that this your idea and my own can never be the same. My own idea, I got it in the prison. I sat down in the prison when I was locked up in Kuje. I sat down inside there, the idea came to my head. And more ideas. If I bust the idea for you now, billions. Do you understand? As a matter of fact, I know how many people I don't meet. People who don't they ready to invest. Millions on top of them. When I pitched it, even when EFCC was interrogating me, when they asked me that, oh, you said you have an idea, you know, in order to help people, I pitched it to them. The EFCC people that were interrogating, they were surprised. They were like, bro, you have ideas, big ideas. So you coming to say this, it's just crazy. Like I said, if you don't want to hold me, you don't want to arrest me, I'm gonna find something very, very big. Don't be all these ones. I big pass all these things. Idea box 9 day here. I don't want to even talk about the people who say I don't send idea give when they entertainment industry. Coded when nobody know and they give them, they use and do their content. I be idea box. But I know they use it until they brag. Me an idea box. So when they said it, I was like, what? Wanna pick me for something else? Do you understand? That's number one. Number two, I will talk another idea now because all these things now I need to advance. And how do I advance? I have to get an office. Where are they look for now? I am on it. I don't employ one person. I will say employ more people. I need to have an office, right? And this office now is I go sit down there. People will get problem because not everybody that can reach me through Instagram and Facebook and all that. It's not everybody. Do you get? So I need to have an office. Okay, you get problem. Plenty DMs full. I know they even check the DMs again. You have a problem. Okay, what do we do? Come to the office. Let me listen to you. There's an office. There's a number you can call. Come to the office. I'll listen to everybody. Before you send an idea again, this one I have to do in order to help people. See, my pride in all of this. I'll tell you people today. It's not about the money because it's about the money. I don't cash out clean. My pride in all of this is to beat my chest and say, yes, I did something in this country before I left Nigeria. Or before I left this world, rather, because I'm not going to leave Nigeria to stay anywhere else. That's my pride. I could beat my chest and say, bro, I stand up now, me make this thing stop. Go and check. When was the last time you see the scam person for media again? When was the last time you see all these organic skincare people that they advertise on NAFTAC? Somebody, one big man they talk today, they talk about one multi-billion-naira business. And they say, I swear, and they talk say, man, we had to get NAFTAC number because we needed to get NAFTAC. We don't raise the awareness. We know what we don't do. We're not going on the brag, bro. So it's a shame that this is that kind of small thing. But madam, you go court. Not just court. Again, you go do it. You go swear juju. You go swear juju, to be very honest. You go swear juju. Anyways, I don't tell my lawyers. I know they sue, but let's say we start. Even the GT man say also, I don't sit down on my own and say there's no need. Now you don't come again. Or I will let you do the suing. They will not defend. They will not counter sue so that I will chop your money. I don't sue. But you people should be careful. Don't take advantage of that. Else you're going to learn. And you will learn the hard way. Especially you, madam. You're going to learn. You're going to learn.
Peace has begun to repatriate Nigerian girls trafficked to Ivory Coast following the outcry raised by activist Martins Oche, popularly known as Very Dark Man, who highlighted the plight of young Nigerian girls trafficked.
Wow. Just like they say, it will be a shame for the dog when a goat catch a thief. That is the situation at the moment. Madam Abike, in short, now your shame they catch me this evening. She, Very Dark Man, was very laughable when he talked about those girls stranded in Ivory Coast. But how does it look like? How do you feel that these girls are now back? Is it actually the job of Very Dark Man to do that? Or is it the duty of Allen Oyema to do that? So funny how government responsibilities are now left in the hands of individuals in Nigeria. So pathetic. And the political appointees are very shameless. Very shameless, just like you've displayed when these issues came up. While I'm happy, and I believe a lot of other Nigerians are happy, kudos to Very Dark Man, kudos to Allen Oyema, kudos to any other person that have lended his voice in regards to this. But then, in moving forward, I think people can see where we are now. And I think there is need to start reconsidering your name, your name. I think you are no more the chairman of a diaspora commission in general. I think you are chairman diaspora commission of people in diaspora that can remit foreign currency. People that are doing well, not people that are stranded. Abi? Kudos. Well done, madam. Well done, ma. Well, Very Dark Man, keep making us proud. Don't stop, please. You're doing a good job.
One of the methods they use, the president of Nigeria in Ivory Coast is going to show a little bit of light, so please don't wrap up. I know you people don't have time. You throw some light, I'll give you the because, you know, some patterns, these people have a lot of patterns that needs to be exposed. One of them, December, when some of all these big girls, big auntie that made it abroad, when they come back, they stay in those villages, they start spraying money. Then the mother of all these children, some of them will just say, how did you get this money? You know, from there, can you carry my daughter? Like that, they carry the daughter.
My name is Chief Odenibo, Igwemba, one of Africa. I want to use this moment to say a very big thanks to Very Dark Man for speaking out. And also thank Alan Onyema, the CEO, APIS, even NAPTIP. I want to say a very big thanks to you all. You guys have done well. It's good when someone cried out, we listen, we take action. That's what we need in this country. Not all about let them keep talking, let them keep talking. You guys have done well. Very Dark Man is one voice that I don't know how he's doing it. But God, I know God is with him. Yes, I know God is with him. That's why everything he's saying, people are answering him. And he's doing well. Your man, blessings to you. You shall never lack in any way. But my problem here is Nigeria have to look into the border. The border is where my problem lies. Who are those in the border? My name is Chief Odenibo. Who are the people in the border? They will be there. They'll be crossing many girls, little girls. And you know that there's something that is called child trafficking. You know about these things. Not that you don't know. You allow them to cross. You allow things to cross over there, but you don't allow things to come in. They can't even ordinary rice to bring in rice. You won't allow them to bring rice.
EFCC chairman, oh, you don't have to know. EFCC chairman, oh, you don't have to follow that one. Don't follow that one, don't follow that abuse naira. EFCC don't follow that abuse naira, oh. I must tell you that this one, oh, and the officer they run the talk show. EFCC don't follow that abuse naira, oh. Don't follow that abuse naira, oh. Una must arrest them, oh. EFCC una must arrest them, oh. Una must arrest them, follow that abuse naira, oh.
My people, according to this video, so I'm not surprised because I know, because the first attempt EFCC don't see anything. They were even asking VDM more questions. so that whatever his response may be, they will use it against him. Because they arrest him, they don't have any reason why they arrest him. They could not obviously or openly declare or accept, say they arrest him because he was lambasting on them back to back on social media. But now, they are coming up with some 1 or 2 cases that one woman or that have led against him in the past. And people, I'm not surprised. But according to the way VDM talk, he said he can handle them. My people, what's your own take? Put it on the comment section. Share this video. This is NAIJA Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that are affecting us. Take care, guys, and bye for now.